In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Gemini on your iPhone. This is useful if you want to chat with Google's AI assistant, ask questions, generate ideas, or use Gemini AI features on iOS. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the Search tab at the bottom and type Google Gemini. Once you find the app, tap Get or the download icon, then install it on your device. But in my mobile phone, it was already downloaded. After the installation finishes, tap Open. Now sign in using your Google account. This is required to access Gemini features and save your chat history. Once logged in, you can start typing questions or prompts in the text box at the bottom of the screen. You can ask Gemini to help with writing, homework, ideas, summaries, or everyday questions. You can also tap the microphone icon to use voice input instead of typing. And on supported versions, you may see a live mode option for real-time AI conversations, similar to a phone call experience. That's it. Google Gemini is now ready to use on your iPhone. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials, iPhone guides, and tech tips.